Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change Apple ID without losing data. So if I just move in my iOS settings and you will just move in your iCloud department. So right over here, make sure you will just turn it on the all space in iCloud. I will just tap on it and make sure you will just turn it on like photos, turn it on, passwords, messages and all the apps you will just turn it on by this. So if I just turn it off, so it will be just losing my data when I just change my ID on iOS device. So I will just tap on continue updating and make sure we turn it on all the apps right over here. And when you just turn it on, and make sure you will just also just when you just tap on it, sign out for the change. So when you just tap on it, so you will just enter your password and you will be just see the options like keep the contacts and keep the media and keep the 1 2 3 more options. So you will just turn it on and you will just type your password and you will just change the iCloud easily. So in this way you will just change the Apple ID without losing data. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.